Hi friends! Today we're going to be talking about the main idea of a picture or a story. The main idea is the most important idea in the picture or the story. Let's take a look at some pictures first. Take a look at what's going on in this picture. I see a sink, a plate, a faucet, a sponge, soap, and it looks like some hands that are scrubbing the plate with the soap and the sponge. What do you think the main idea or most important thing is that's going on in this picture? Let's look at some choices. What is the main idea? Let's look at the choices. Number 1, the sponge is green. Number 2, the person has washed all of the dishes. Or number 3, the person is washing the plate. Let's think about those for a minute. Let's look at number 1. The sponge is green. Is that true? Yes, the sponge is green. But is that the most important idea? Let's look at number 2. The person has washed all of the dishes. Well, that might be true, but so far I only see one dish, so I don't know about that. Number 3, the person is washing the plate. I think that might be it. What do you think? The person is washing the plate. Think about that for a minute. Which one do you think is the main idea? Did you say number 3, the person is washing the plate? I hope so, because that was it. Let's try another one. Take a look at that picture on your own this time. Did you look real hard? Good job. Let's go to the next screen. What is the main idea of this picture? Number 1, the tiger is walking in the grass. Number 2, the tiger is running in the grass. Number 3, the tiger is asleep. Let's look at number 1. The tiger is walking in the grass. That's true. Number 2, the tiger is running in the grass. It's possible, but it doesn't really look like he's running to me. Number 3, the tiger is asleep. Well, I don't know about you, but I don't really think he looks asleep. What do you think was the main idea of that passage? Good job! I just know you said the tiger is walking in the grass. Give yourself a pat on the back. This time, we're going to look at a picture and read a passage. Take a look at that beautiful picture of the beach with the shells and the water in the background. Let's read the passage, because sometimes we look for the main idea of a passage, not just the picture. Let's read together. Anna went to the beach with her family. She looked and looked for beautiful shells. When she found some nice shells, she put them in her bucket. I wonder what the main idea of that passage was. Let's look at our choices this time. Number 1, beautiful shells at the beach. Number 2, Anna goes to the beach with her family. Or taking shells home from the beach. Let's look back at the passage. Anna went to the beach with her family. She looked and looked for beautiful shells. When she found some nice shells, she put them in her bucket. Let's look at number 1. Beautiful shells at the beach. I agree that that's what the picture shows, but I don't think it was the main idea of the passage. Number 2. Anna goes to the beach with her family. Well, that was the very first sentence, which was the topic sentence. So far, I think that might be the one. But let's look at number 3. Taking shells home from the beach. Well, the passage did say that she found nice shells and put them in her bucket, but it never said that she took them home from the beach. So let's look at those choices. Which one do you think was the main idea of the passage? Think about that and then say it to me. You did a great job. I agree. Number 2, Anna goes to the beach with her family was the main idea of that passage. It was the topic sentence, actually. Anna went to the beach with her family. This time, I would like for you to try reading that passage to yourself. I'll wait for you for a minute. Go ahead, start reading it to yourself. A few more seconds. Great job. Let's look at the next slide. I'll read the passage to you this time, with the choices for what the main idea might be. Mom was so tired. She had worked late, and now she had to decide what to cook for dinner. Mom decided she would order a pizza instead of cooking. Let's look at what our choices are. Number 1, Mom cooks dinner. Number 2, pizza is delicious. Number 3, tired mom orders a pizza. Number 1, Mom cooks dinner. That couldn't be the answer because she didn't cook dinner. Number 2, pizza is delicious, but I don't think that was the main idea of the passage. Number 3, tired mom orders a pizza. Do you agree that that was definitely the main idea of the passage? Great job. Give yourself a pat on the back. Remember, the main idea is the most important idea in the picture or story. Thanks to the Teaching the Main Idea free samples. Good luck, friends!